Today, we will be going over how to install the F2018 tie downs on your Ford. To start, we recommend fishing the coiled end of the bolt fisher in first through the appropriate holes, and then attaching your hardware on the end of the fisher, putting the 1x2 plate washer inside the frame and pulling it back through. If your truck is equipped with cable actuated parking brakes, you'll need to remove the bolt holding the cable bracket from the bottom side of the leaf spring bracket. Once your bolts are on, you'll want to place the spacer plate onto the frame. Leave the fishers on until you are ready to thread the nuts onto the bolts as to not lose the hardware inside the frame. Then place your tie down onto the frame. Place the 2x2 center hole washer on the outer bolt towards the front of the truck. Once you get all the nuts on the bolts, you can torque them down to the proper specs and put your cables back in place. Slide the tie-down receiver tube in between the two parking brake cables. The cables will fit into the slot on the tie down where you will use the gusset to close the gap. The passenger side follows the same install steps, but you will not have to worry about the parking brake cables or gusset on this side. Once everything is good to go, simply slide the inserts into the receiver and secure it with the pin in order to use your tie downs.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift product, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit us at torklift.com or call us at 800-246-8132.